Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and acting immediately. Put on gloves and lay the door flat. This prevents damage and gives you control. Once done, remove hinge screws and lift the door off carefully. Next, use a screwdriver to pop out the spline and peel back the old mesh. Doing that exposes damage and measurements you need. Make quick notes of the spline size and mesh weave while parts are visible, because accurate replacement prevents gaps later. You now handle the complex middle work. Measure the opening and cut the new mesh with a 2-inch overlap. This margin lets you tension without tearing. If the frame is bent, clamp and reshape or swap corner clips first, because a true frame keeps the mesh tight. Then lay mesh over frame, start spline at a corner, and roll it in with steady pressure. This secures the screen. Make sure to maintain even tension. Uneven pulling causes ripples and shortens lifespan. You finish by cleaning edges and reinstalling the door. Trim the mesh close to the spline for a neat seal, then reattach hinges and test the swing. Make sure gaps align and the latch engages. Once mounted, apply a small bead of silicone or a graphite lubricant to sticky hinges to keep operation smooth. If something goes wrong, say the mesh sags, check spline seating and retention or swap to a tighter weave. That step fixes most remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.